finally, the time has come for me to take a test drive of the T5 EVO, and I'm very, very excited. But first, let's take a look at the screen here in front of me. Now, this is a 10.25-inch smart dual screen, and one of the features of this is the 360 view that you can have of the car. Now, this is a collision avoidance technology here. So if we click this button on the screen, on the steering wheel here, the 360, and go on to the 3D mode here, we can see the car, and this is in real time, and the image synthesizing technology is so realistic. It's like you're standing outside the car and looking at it from any angle you want. Now, this is brilliant because when you're driving a conventional car, there are so many blind spots all around you. There could be small bumps or small collision objects all around, and this allows you to see everywhere and anywhere from any angle. Really safe, and helps to avoid collisions. Okay, ready?
Okay, go. 你先说吧，对。
我先讲吗？
等它开起来。
我先讲吗？
对，你讲吧。
This car also have 2 functions in this car. Would you like to try?
Oh, yes, please. I'd love to try.
In this manual, you can adjust the degree and the steering wheel damping. Now you are used the normal mode. Now help you adjust it to medium mode and fade.
Okay. Well, I tell you what, this steering wheel is amazing. Not only does it look like something straight out of a race car, it's got lots of buttons on that can control the music and the air conditioning, but also it's so light. If you're someone who really struggles to force around a conventional steering wheel, you'll find this is so light you can just use one finger to steer. Look, amazing.
It also have 0 mode. You also try.
你帮它调一下。
运动是吧？
对。Okay.
Oh yes, it has a classic mode for conventional driving. It has an economic mode for more saving on fuel, and it has a sports mode for when you want to drive a bit faster.
Look at the start of the dashboard. It looks like it's now. This now. I will adjust the energy save mode for you now. 我讲完了。
你帮它调一下。不用停，你就按 drive mode。
Oh, right. That's right. So you push that button, and it's changed to sport mode here. Oh, and now it's on economy mode. So that's if you want to save more fuel while driving. And now it's the classic drive mode, so this is more stable for day-to-day driving. But the sport mode, that's where the real action is. If you really like that, the power and the speed. Okay, so let's turn on the sport mode, shall we, and go a bit crazy? Okay. Whoa! Whoa, I'm stuck to the back of my seat. It's so fast. So one of the safety features of this car that I really love, and we're going to test now, is the changing lanes safety feature. So if you are driving and you get distracted or you get tired, you may accidentally start drifting or changing lanes. Now, the 17 radar sensors around this car can detect where the lanes are, and if it suggests that or detects you're about to drift off lane, then it will start a reaction and remind you that this is going to happen. So let's try it out. So with just a simple press of the button on the steering wheel here, we can activate this safety feature. I can't do that here. Oh, there's another feature there. It's reminding me to keep both my hands on the wheel. Can you hear that there? That binging noise, that's reminding me that I'm just about to change lanes, and I've just crossed the central lane there. So if I wasn't paying attention, that would remind me. Now, yet another safety feature when it comes to driving this car is the maintenance of distance between you and the car in front of you. Now, this is another click of the button on the steering wheel here, and it maintains the same distance between you and the car in front, and this is to avoid rear end collisions. So let's test that out now. I'm very excited about this one. This sounds so advanced. Let's try it out. Okay, so I've just pushed the button now and I'm maintaining the same distance. My foot is totally off the accelerator now. I'm following the car in front of me and it's maintaining a distance of what we would say 3 chevrons. That's incredible. So now we're locking onto the car in front of us. Oh. Amazing. My foot is completely off the brakes and off the accelerator. And it's speeding up when the car in front speeds up. It's slowing down when the car in front slows down. That's amazing. It's super safe as well. That will avoid all sorts of rear end collisions.